welcome everybody. Let's see. To another fine day of some code clashing. Let's see, and I slipped in rank a little bit. I was doing some clashing last night, pretty late. And I didn't do so hot. So, anyways, let's see. Good mic, video, got it. Alright. Let's clash. Also, our website. It's still a long ways to go as far as athletics go. So, I might be on another stream today. Or we can just kind of hang out and do that. I mean, as I imagine, it's got to be interesting to somebody. Oh, we got a lot of people on too. Or they're like me, and sometimes I like to leave this thing open. So, yep. Oh, Mr. Debugger's on. Germany. All right. All right. Welcome everybody. Sorry. There we go. Okay. Fastest. Win rock paper scissors against an unexperienced player. Okay. The same draw again on the person. I'm so confused. Hold on. I gotta read this again. Let's see. In general, a player who has won 100, who has won one round of rock paper scissors is going to use the same draw again, and a person who has lost is going to change his draw to the draw which beats the previous draw of the opponent. Okay. If there is a tie, then the player is going to act as he wins. Output the expected draw of your opponent and your own draw to win. Okay. Uh, so I'm thinking scissors, dict. We'll do something like that. Then we need rubber. Okay. Scissors. Make sure I spell it right, or at least I gotta spell it uniformly. All right. So, and then, so I'm almost thinking we should do. Oops. A couple of dictionaries. And the reasoning for is we've got a couple different situations going on here. So if, uh, let's see. So yeah, whoever won is going to use the same draw, and then whoever lost is going to change their draw to beat the previous draw. Okay, so I guess there is going to be a correct one. Let's see some examples of that. So, rock, paper. So then they're going to try to pick, and then the winner. Wait. So why are they choosing rock when they paper? Let's see. Uh, okay, and then who is opponent's draw and your draw? Okay, so opponent goes first. All right. So I cheat paper laser. Okay. So wait a minute. tie. Okay. Opponent's drawing your draw. Oh. We're gonna do win, and then another lose. You're going to pick the next one differently based on what happens in the first round. So then we also need to determine if they win. We might even need to predict which beats. So we're gonna do moves equals moves, and I guess we don't need that. Sorry. So those are those into variables. So we see, so if I do, print opponent for this first one, I would see, okay. That's because the input is rock, paper. Got it. Okay. So opponent first, me second. And then we need to do let's see. Now so opponent cheats on paper, I cheat, paper laser. Regardless, let's see. So if me not in RPS win dictionary or opponent not in RPS win dictionary. There. That'll check for cheaters. So we at least got those conditions. That's kind of like the low-hanging fruit. Also, need to move all this up top. Good practice. Have all your variables declared at the beginning. Let's see. Why is this not RPW? There we go. Okay. So, can handle if there's a cheater. And then so that just handles if they're there. And then to win, I don't know, I'm almost thinking okay. If opponent equals rock and me equals paper. Oops. Doing other languages here. And alright, and then best I can do just to get this done. We've only got 6 minutes, just to do one massive chain. I know it's not pretty, but we're not going for pretty, we're going for completion. Alright. Elif that. Elif that. I think there's, 6 conditions? So you can win 3 ways and lose 3 ways. Or you can tie. So in fact, we should equal. There we go. So if it's a tie, checks for a tie first. Else, opponent, let's see, paper, scissors, There we go. So those are the three conditions of where we would win. And then we need to copy that. Let's see. Yeah, this is getting really ugly really quick. So, oh no, that's not what I wanted to do. There we go. I want to basically double my code. So then now we have scissors, rock, paper. There we go. The three losing conditions. So based on that, so if you do the winning condition, then we're going to pick from the win dictionary. So that's going to be, so if we won with rock, we're going to keep rock. Is that how? Let's see. I want to look at the instructions again. So in general, a player who has won the first round is going to use the same. So win begets the same. So it's going to be rock, paper, scissors. However, if you lose, you're going to try to get the one that would beat it. So if you lost with rock, you would do scissors because you want to beat the paper. Then if you lost with paper, you would play the rock to beat the scissors. And then if you lost with scissors, you would play the paper there. Okay, so now we've got that. So it's mapped to the correct values. Now we just need to assign it. And then I'm also thinking, just to say, or well, we could even do, yeah, let's make all of these, there we go, one big if-else change. So first we find a cheater, then we find a tie. What do they have us print for tie? Cheater. Oh, if we can look right here. Ooh, so in the event of a tie, never mind. So we actually have to do opponent equals empty string, me equals empty string. So that way we can just do print O, comma, M. A lot cleaner way than what I usually do. Let's see. Oops. I don't think we're going to get this, dang it. I spent too much time trying to figure out what rock, paper, scissors even was again. Alright. Because I need to go back and for each of these 6 conditions, I need to take into account what the O and the me, the M would be. So opponent's next move and my next move. And then, or actually, shoot. Never mind. I should have just, see, I even messed up there. So I should just do it once, take that out, and then do the assigning here. So, okay, maybe I can do this. Alright, so, O equals, opponent, M equals, so in the event of the tie, oh, jeez, not the, what I want to look at is, so I pick what would have beat that, so the loss. So if I lost with rock, or no, wait, what? I think I even got that a little backwards. Let's see. So wait a minute, if I lost, I would pick what beat me last time. Right, so let's see, I lose with scissors, I would pick paper. Because whatever beat me last time. So if I lost with scissors, I would pick paper. Yeah, okay, so RPS lose dictionary of me. Okay, so now I need to put this, oh, 1 minute. If only I had it just a couple more minutes. We just need to assign, alright, so these 3 are opponent loses, opponent does RPS lose dictionary of opponent. And then I do RPS win. Ah. Okay. Actually, that is the condition for the first one, and then it's just reverse for the last three. RPS lose dictionary of opponent. Dang it. There it is. Alright, well, we almost had it. Hey, what's up, time traveler? Welcome to the stream. I just stumbled through that. I will share my code. I mean, even though I got 0, I was on my way. Like, I think, given a couple more minutes, I could have been able to do that. Let's see. Did you do... Yeah, so you did that, and then... And I get... Oh. Ooh, that's a fancier way to... Okay. Nice. Let's see. Did they do it like I did? See, that was my initial thing. The if elifs, and that it works. Obviously, I mean they got it to work. They got it quick, nicely done. So yeah, and then the quit. I need to remember that I can do that because I was almost thinking about doing a printed boolean to keep track if I had printed it or not, and then based on if that was the case, not print it later. So okay. Oh, and my apologies, I forgot the link. Oops. Okay, let's throw that in there. Bada bing. Okay. Let's see. Oh, Carpin's with us now. Nice. Oh, sorry, Mr. Debugger, we didn't quite make it. Eventually, I want to do those private clashes again. That was tight. But we need a lot more people to do that, to make that feasible. Although this is a bot, I know that, and then there might be even a couple more. Let's see, shortest. Display the following symbols with respect to the cardinal and ordinal directions. Oh my gosh. Wait, what? I mean, I get it, but how is this... Let me look at some of the test cases. This looks like it's just, you know, if this, do this, else... Let's see. Yeah, just if line is equal to north. I'll do a return string. Oh, sorry. What's going on? Okay. And let's see, what does it look like? It just, yeah, it's a little trouble, and there's a space after it. Looks like. Yeah, it's just the LF line. Oh. Slash new line. And then return string. The star. I guess there is no new line. Let's see. So in the Yeah, the return string is just the 2 lines, so we can just do that, that out. I mean, return string. Let's see how close that gets. Okay, so that's what they're wanting there. So now we gotta do east west. Well, we'll go from west to east. Sorry, hold on 1 second. Someone's at my house. Hold on, I'll be right back. Weird. Alright. Sorry, everybody. That was, I think it's a computer. Interesting. Okay, let's get back to the gameplay. And do I even have a chance? 2 minutes. Oh, awesome. Alright, well, that actually raises more questions than it answers, but, okay. I wasn't sure if I was starting a job on Monday, and now it looks like I am, because I think that's, yeah, it's like a home computer setup to work a job. So, anyways, where was I at? West, east, so we actually don't need all this because it's a single line return string. With west, we're putting it at the west, right? East, west, yeah. And then 3, 4, and then this one is just the opposite. 2, 3, 4, and really, I know this isn't very, clean, like, algorithm-wise, like it's kind of hard coding. Let's see. And now we have 4 more. Yeah, this reminds me of that Thor challenge here on CodinGame. It's very similar. You just see if Thor is south or southeast, and let's see, we're doing so do southwest, southeast. I'm so confused. It's, I didn't think I was actually starting that job. Anyways, north, uh, west. We're doing west to east. Yeah, should be west to east. That's how everyone learns it. It's like, we. All right, northwest. Okay, and now, I mean, it's a space and then star. So for northwest, it's all star space. Let's see. Oh, and then we're doing. Come on. So star space, and then that. Then we're doing space that, I believe. Northwest? Yeah. And then northeast. Oh, I'm so confused. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, and this is not going to be short at all. Like, I just realized that. And you're right, I could be doing this, in fact, yes, let's do that. You're right, good call. Good call, Ref and Kiri. Let's see, so And then okay. Oh no. I mean, and that'll cut out on at least that much, but okay. Interesting. Sorry, I'm still just blown away. Like I almost wanna let's see. I've only been going for half an hour. All right, well, I'll see what it is after this stream. I mean, it's rather large, so and then northeast is that, and it is actually it is slash there. Okay. So northeast, northwest with the space, southwest would be that, and then that, and then southeast would be this, and then a space. What's going on here? Can I do it just triple? Let's see. So it actually looks right. Now what's going on here? We've got yes, we need the double. There we go. Huh. It's acting really slow. How's the stream going? Okay, it looks like it's doing okay. I noticed some of my videos have been a little glitchy, so I've been trying to figure out, like maybe dedicate more RAM to the programs, or what I can be doing to make that better. Let's see. Change that to L. I mean, we're still well over 300. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like a lot of people are hitting that. What we can also do is we can take out the... Oh yeah, I didn't do this one. There we go. Let's actually make sure I didn't break anything by doing that. Do I have single lines for all the others? Yeah. Okay, we can also take out the 4 spaces and make them 1 for all of these. And I suppose we could do a dictionary, but I don't know if it would be a whole lot smaller. Because we could do a dictionary with the inputs of, all the cardinal directions, and then have the output. Now that we have these simplified as like little... I mean, we got 3 minutes. Let's see. Is anyone... Actually, no, Carpen's still going. Let me, yeah, actually, let me, I'm good with that. I'm not going to stress build a dictionary, like, in 3 minutes. I mean, Alright, worst case. RS equals dictionary of, L. D equals... No, it's not worth it. Plus, I think that's probably about the same. I mean, we'll get rid of all those elifs, but it would have been shorter, but I mean, whatever it is. I need to check my email, actually. And see if they changed their mind. Okay. carpet. Oh, never mind. My computer was just lagging. And yep, that code. Let's see. Yeah, see that? Hmm. Interesting. Nice. Alright, any other pythons? No. Not that wanted to share. Alright, let's go again. Getting laggy. Right. Oh no. No, leave Clash. Did I do it in time? Oh, I might have broke it. Oh well. Sorry, Carpin. I was trying to go into one that you could join. I didn't get the link or anything. Well, we'll do another one after this. Let's see. Maybe I can knock this out all quick. Maybe. Okay. Print N to the M? Maybe? No. Couldn't be that simple. Of course not. Alright, so... Um... Ooh. I'm almost thinking if it's like an even or odd thing. Someone figured it out real quick. A couple people. Huh. Oh, what's going on here? Okay. I mean, the first one, that would work, yeah. Then these ones... Let's try test 3. Yeah, I found a massive number. Jeez. Okay, yeah, because to the 456. So I'm almost wondering if there's a... No, and it's not multiplied by either. You know, it's like an in-between. So it's almost like if it's a 2-digit... I don't know. Yeah. I think I'm gonna just take the L. It's bad for my ranking, but I'm not too super concerned about that. All right, let's see if let's try this again. Let's see if I can get the link this time. Okay, there we go. Got the link. Still lagging a little bit. See, Carpet might be doing another one. Let's see if we can get him here. Let's see. I'm recognizing some people from that last clash, yeah. That's nice. I love how just like all over people are from on this app or this tool. Okay. Let's see what we got. Another reverse mode. Alright. And plus n divided by 2. It's going really slow. I wonder if that's my connection or no, because it seems like the stream's doing okay. It's not giving me any warnings. Huh. Alright. Bada bing. That was good. 2 seconds. But nice. Nicely done. Alright. Let's see. Don't know anybody in here. That was a pretty straightforward. That was nice. A nice low-hanging fruit after a couple of brutal ones. Let's see. Oh wow, there's a lot of people clashing today. Let's see. We've got a lot of France. Where was he? Oh, I guess we're going. Maybe? No. Oh yeah, no, that's me. New idiot. Oh. Alright, shortest. You were giving an irreducible fraction a slash b. Determine whether its standard decimal representation has a finite length. For example, has a finite length. Okay, so if length of string of a single divide b is greater than, I don't know, 4, print infinite, else print finite. I think that's how that works. Let's go and get rid of all this. Man, I don't think we're going to get it right away on the first one. My reasoning is if it's, let's see, just integer. Oh. And dot in string. I think I'm actually gonna, let's see, s equals string of a divided by b, so we can stop rewriting that everywhere. Suck up those spaces. Okay, now we can just do if lang s greater than, I don't know, I'm even thinking like 10 or something, and, oops, in s. There, so that should take care of that, because now we don't have the decimal. Ooh, although that is a good, just realized they could do a dot zero, you know. Oh, and actually these are divided by each other. Whoops, never mind. So, I mean, it doesn't even matter. Like, I would have to actually do those divided out. Let's see, there might be a way to determine if it's exact or not. I mean, maybe. It's a ridiculous situation, but if it's bigger than 100, chances are it's got a repeating decimal. Short period, Let's see. Long repeated. Very long. Repetent. Repeatant. I don't know. Let's see what these numbers are. So we're failing the last three. We got short period. 1 divided by that. Here, let's see on the old calculators. 1 divided by 765625 000. Infinite. Then why did... I wonder if there's... Let's go ahead and print. Let's see what we're getting here. Print S. So. Here we go. Or E in S. There we go. Oh, whoops, we gotta take the print out. Let's see. Because then that means that they needed to use scientific notation, and it is just a massive decimal. No? What's this? Dang. I thought that would be a nice little... So we're still spitting out finite, and we need to do infinite, so let's just see what long reptend is. Let's go and divide that out. So 5781, 5781, 3401, divided by, wow, 57 million? Okay. 6 nines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 491. Okay. Alright, I think I got it. So if I made S split on the decimal... Oh, that's so much... Well, we still got 8 minutes. We can configure this. So I'm thinking... Well, so for that one, I'll just throw it on there just so you guys can see it. It's 0.0578134304. But also the reasoning I wanted to do that, 057 831 813 057 813 4304. So the length of this is we've got 3, 3, 6, 9, 10. So if we did SL equals S dot split, we're going to do it on the decimal. Can also see a problem if there is no, if do turn string equals that. Finite. So if it doesn't have a decimal thing, it is a finite representation. And then we can also do the quit. There, like I was saying on that one of the first ones. So, okay, now, so now we don't need this. Wait. So it's automatically finite if it doesn't have that. If SL, so we'll never reach, we shouldn't reach that. Okay, good. Sorry, if SL at position 1, length of that greater than or equal to 10, RS equals infinite, or E in SL1. Okay, and I think might actually satisfy these conditions by themselves in the beginning. Or it'll crash. Yeah, nothing. Infinite. Nothing. Alright, so quit actually, yeah, never mind. We're not going to do that because we're just going to do print finite. I don't think we need return string. I think it's more trouble than it's worth in this one. Alright, SL, what's wrong with this? Big integer. Long but finite. Well, now we're getting the bottom ones, but now we're not getting any of the other ones. Alright, so 1 digit after point. Alright, let's see. Oh no, maybe we should keep it to, RS equals finite. Yeah, we'll switch it back to that and just print it once because, I'm just like breaking it now. So, no, so else finite, but then I need to keep it from reassigning it to something else. Well, no, actually these conditions shouldn't cross over. Ah, this one might not be. So this one, okay, let's actually put that in here. So now we can do nothing. One decimal. One digit after point. Okay, so else rs equals finite. There we go. That should fix it. Yeah, there we go. We might have this. There must be a lot of people on CodinGame because it's going really slow. Ah, big integer. Infinite. Why is it? Let's see what big integer is. Wait. Finite. This does not have a... what? No? Oh, you know what I just realized? We're always going to have a decimal in there because we're doing a single division. So that's actually a flawed logic there. Because, yeah, so that big integer is just going to be one big, it doesn't have a decimal unless you do a single divide like this. Then it forces it into a float. So we could do, I mean, so that almost makes this irrelevant because no matter what it is, that's weird. Right. So I guess what we could do is if there is a dot, so now we're completely living in here. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to get it. We got a minute. We could go even further and say, if what's right to the right of the dot is 0. No, what all of to the right of the dot is 0, then it just, but that's like one corner case. This is basically picking out all the different corner cases. Is there an E? Is it bigger than this? Is it, So yeah, this is flawed logic. This doesn't do anything. Because, I mean, it should always have the decimal in there. Really, just these checks were the winners there. And then we would do other checks. Yeah, let's go ahead and submit our broken code. Our long broken code, too. 325 characters. Easily, and I wasn't going to get smaller than any of these guys. Like 19. I mean, but 19? It's insane. I write text bigger than that. 85, 90. These are all really impressive. Dang. See, and that's a Python. So how did they do it? So it's you either print the infinite or just finite if D and 2 to 5. Nice. I have no idea what's going on there, but nice. Oh, we got some commentators. Yes. Yeah, I'm a little confused about the 2 and the 5 as well. Yes. Beautiful code right there, perfectly unreadable as all things should be. Yeah, let's see. Oh, that's one I just had pulled up. We got similar situation. It's finite if the denominator has only factors 2 and 5. Huh. Oh, wow. So it looks like these guys looked it up. And that's one of those things. It's one of those obscure pieces of mathematical knowledge. Just like the factorial problem that we did a few days ago, where we did count how many zeros are at the end of a large factorial number. And there was an easier way. Someone mentioned it in the chat. It was you just divide by 5. I don't know. Sometimes I wish I would have gone farther in math. I mean, I made it past calculus and then I quit. Like, I was just done. So, I mean, I didn't need to do differential equations or anything like that. So you check for the first 4 primes. Yeah, that is nifty. GG's. I mean, I still got 88%, so I got, most of them. But my code was massive. Let's see. Through the conditions I could think of, and still massive code. There we go. Alright, shall we do another? We're just hitting around about an hour. Really? Let me send out an email real quick because I need to figure out. That's kind of bad. No, I'll figure it out after this. Sorry, I keep going back and forth because I was supposed to start a job and then I wasn't supposed to start a job and I'm working from home, so like they were supposed to send me equipment and then they did send me equipment, but then they told me not to worry about it, and then I don't know. Well, I kind of. Let's see how far they did. Well, okay, no, I'm not gonna pretend I've never seen div mod before. Um, hmm. Got the modulos going. Yeah, let's see. So if the number isn't divisible by 2 or 5, it'll never end in a 10 mal base. I mean, nifty to know. I don't know when that would ever come up in the real world, but or no. Yeah, if you're ever curious to what would make an infinite number, just do a number that isn't evenly divisible by 2 or 5. Unless it's 1. Yeah, 1's kind of the odd one out. I mean, 1's usually in a weird situation. That's why like primes always include the 1. Um, huh. Let's see, prime divisors. Yeah. Oh, so you're saying that if it's divisible by anything else other than 2 or 5? Hmm. I don't know. I think I'm good on this one. Let's go ahead and yeah, same. See you guys later. I'm gonna jump into another's. That was fun, but yeah, knowing um, ah, little tidbits like that would have made my code a lot shorter and a lot less to check. Ah, Carpin's in this one, nice. And I'm pretty sure this one's a bot too. Really, picture is cool. They're like from Ukraine, but then no, it's a bot. Short. You're given a string C of numbers. If the R string is the letter A, wait, what? This is a lot of stuff. Okay, sorry. You will be given a string C of numbers. Oh, you in this one too? Nice. Or not, I mean. Oh, yeah, there you are. Oh, apologies, I didn't realize. Okay. So, disregard my chatting in your ear while you're doing it then. If the R string is the letter A, output the arithmetic mean. Okay, so three conditions. Based on R, do things with the numbers. Okay. Nums equals C dot split. And then let's see. If R equals that, do that. Elif R equals Q, do that. Elif R equals G. Oops. Okay. So, if it's an A, output the arithmetic mean rounded down. So, print math dot floor or int. That's a good way to truncate it. Int of yeah, the average. So let's actually see. I'm gonna look that up real quick. Is there Python for average for list average of list Python? Because otherwise I'm gonna have to do a loop, and that's gonna add code. Sum length. Okay, I mean that's faster than the loop. Using mean function from statistics module. Okay, there's an option. Alright, but sum and length, we could do sum. Although, will it do that? Divided by length. nums. Okay, so it's already for type string and literal. Yeah, it's because it's a list of strings, not int again of all of that. Let's have, hey, yeah, the very first one. Unsupported operand for type, for plus, int and string. Yeah, it really doesn't like that. Okay. Sum equals 0 for n in nums. Sum plus equals int n. Okay, so now we can take all of this out. Now we're going to cast it as an int to truncate it. S divided by ling nums. Let's see if that does a little better. Alright, there we go. So, and we're going to change nums to n. We'll do this to m. Why? I have no idea. Okay, so we've got the A condition met. Is there any other? Okay, the second one is A. And we passed those. Okay, so now, if it's Q, we're doing the quadratic mean. Is that A squared plus B squared minus negative B plus or minus the square root of A squared minus C squared, A minus C squared. Anyways, let's look it up. The square root of the sum of the numbers divided by, oh, so we just